The first step is to open Canva and click Videos. Scroll down so you can choose a design from Easy to Assemble Videos, or scroll down and choose a design from Templates. When you've decided on a design, click on the design template. Click on the design in the editor to select the video you want to trim. After selecting the design, you'll be able to click the scissors icon that appears in the top menu to allow you to trim the video. With your mouse, click and drag the purple slider, then drop it on the place you want the trim to occur. Click Done. With the video design still selected, you also have the option to click Animate. Click one of the combinations or basic page animation choices. You'll get a confirmation message that says, Element Animations Replaced. If you change your mind, click Remove All Animations or a different option. To add audio, in the left menu, click Audio. Here you can search for the type of audio you want. Click on the audio you want to choose. You now can add audio and animation and are able to trim your video. That's it, you're done.